Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to factory reset Vortex phone. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset your Vortex phone here? Well, resetting your Vortex phone is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to get your phone here, and you want to go ahead and make sure it's turned on and it has enough power. Now, you're on your phone, what you need to do is you need to look for the side buttons. So typically this is going to be the power button, the volume down button, and the volume up button. Now with these buttons, what you need to do is you first need to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now keep holding this until the phone actually restarts. Now once the phone actually restarts, what you need to do is you need to use the side buttons again. Now in your menu, or in this case, when your phone or Vortex phone here successfully restarts, this is what you'll be seeing. So you could use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate around this menu. Now, if you want to select something, you need to use the power button. Now, what you need to do is you need to use the volume down button or volume up to go to wipe data or factory reset option here. Now, to select that, press your power button. The next page is going to just ask you if you want to proceed with this one. This will wipe all data and users on it. So in this case, use the up and down or volume up and down button to select yes here and enter that by pressing the power button. Next is you just need to wait for the process to complete. So in this case, this might take a while. So around like 5 to 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. But once the process is done, you just need to use the power button and again the volume up and down button to navigate to reboot system now. And from then on, that should reboot your device and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.